Hey everyone, I'm in beautiful Ireland at the moment. I arrived rather late last night, around midnight, after about 26-27 hours of traveling. So lots of sitting on airplanes, sitting around airports. So what a great way to start the day. I decided to take a gentle run to a lake just to get the blood flowing around my body, get the oxygen circulating, and getting some fresh air and some sunlight. A lot of the times I had my glasses on the top of my head here, so exposing my eyes to sunlight will help set my body clock, reset it rather, and just to help reduce any jet lag. So just a great way to start the day after traveling. I'll just sit down here, relax a little while, do some maybe mobility work, and then I might do a little bit of a jump rope later, or maybe leave that to tomorrow. But just look at this, beautiful, beautiful. What I want to talk about here in this quick video is a topic that I was talking about just recently with someone, and that was tips to learn how to do double unders. And this is something I've covered in quite a few videos. And a person wanted to know some hacks. And I'm not a big fan of that word hacks. You know, oftentimes nowadays it seems like we want to try to make what is supposed to be hard easy to do. But not everything is supposed to be easy to do. Sure, there are tips and techniques, for example, for doing things like learning double unders to make the process easier. But ultimately, we still have to put in hard work or effort consistently. So, you know, one of my favorite boxers, Floyd Mayweather, his motto was always hard work, dedication. It wasn't hacks, hard work, dedication. But he always said hard work is easy work. He had a vision, he had a goal in mind. He wanted to be ultimately one of the best boxers of all time. So once he had that goal, he had a plan, what he had to do to achieve that goal. So once he had the goal in mind, he knew how to achieve it. He knew what he had to execute to get there. And it became easy in the sense that because he had a vision, he knew what he wanted to do. Everything that he did, every workout that he did was getting him a step closer to achieving that goal. Deciding what you want can be very hard. And once you have decided though, putting in the hard work consistently becomes a little bit easier because you know what you want to achieve. And getting back to double unders, once you know the techniques, once you know things that you should do to help make it easier to learn, you're still gonna have to put in hard work. As people often say, things that are easy can be done by anyone, but if you want to achieve difficult things, you're gonna have to put in hard work. They're difficult because a lot of people don't achieve them because maybe a lot of people aren't willing to put in the hard work. So if you want to learn double unders, put in consistent effort. Learn the proper technique, tips, focus on getting proper technique down, and then just put in consistent effort. And over time, you're gonna make great progress as long as you don't give up. That's the thing. Don't give up. Just keep putting in the effort consistently.